What are you doing?
He has to get it just right because he's Statue of Liberty.
What do you call that outfit? Huh?
The Statue of Liberty.
I didn't know the Statue of Liberty had one of those whirligigs there. What's on your feet? Here, turn towards me now.
I'm a chicken.
You're a chicken?
I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken liberty.
Chicken Liberty? Let's
Chicken
see.
livered Liberty.
Yeah, here, look here, Brett. Did anybody ever tell you you're weird? Huh? Yeah, well, they were right.
You watch too much television.
That's
Brent.
it. Hey, your thing's not whirling anymore.
Where'd you turn around to let the air hit it? Oh, there you go.
Now I roll my statue. Oh, catching fish.
Catch a
And
fish.
parrots.
Flying fish?
Parrots?
Fish and parrots.
What
You
part
come
of
up.
the country do you live in?
In Michigan, Florida.
Michigan, Florida?
Yeah.
Do you have a summer home or what?
No, I think I live in the North Pole.
The North Pole? Why do you say that?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't want this. It's not. I don't clean my windshield shield.
Windshield.
There. Now I got that. Down. Down. I'm sorry. I have to fly. How do I fly again? Hey, I forgot to.
Oh, Brett, just wait till you get old.
Yeah.
I show this to you, you're gonna die.
I know.
Grandma and Mama are going to laugh and laugh and laugh.
Just wait till you get married, and I'll save this one for then.
I forgot to turn this off. Come
Turn it off.
Hey, how do I fly again?
Be careful, don't touch the walls.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Come on. Fight. Fan. Ah.
Don't poke it in the fan.
Go. Yeah.
Fight you.
That's for sure.
Go. Over. It's on. Hey, I forgot to. Oh no. My dad. Hey. Where's the fish? I got the parrot. All right, you parrot, come back. I'm gonna catch you.
Hey, Ben.
Oh no.
I got your fish. I got your fish. Where's all those fishes? I guess. Hey, my wind blower knows where they are. Come here. I guess I have to do this. Beep beep. Beep beep. A good parrot.
Don't touch the wall, Brett.
Hey, my wind blower said